So good. So guys, today, sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm just used to be looking at my phone. Sorry, I'm just trying to look at my phone. Okay, so I might be switching like that. Oh wait, it doesn't work, so guys. So guys, today we are gonna play with my buddy. It's glow in the dark, but it's not that dark right now. Let's get it out. I just fit the lid. This is it. Hey guys, today we are gonna try to make a snowman. It's 10. So guys, let's get right into it. Okay. I need some more. Guys, video please. Let's try to hit Let's try to hit 15 likes. You please can, because I am gonna make a video on Saturday and Sunday. Well, probably. So yeah, let's get started to the snowman. Okay, I'm gonna do this away so you can see my face. Yeah. Okay, let's get. Yeah. You can't look at the camera and do this at the same time. I have to look at what I'm doing. So guys, I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you. I'm just used to be looking straight ahead. So, guys, I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you. I just... Wait, is this... Okay. So, guys, I'm gonna do this thing. And guys, like a like if you like my eyes. And think, see what color, guess what the color they are. Well, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you this in a video. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, stop. Now come back to the video. Now let's do it. Oh yeah, guys, let's run it. Since I'm new, let's do 10 subscribe, 10 likes. And if you can, hit that subscribe button. Join the crew. Okay, there's the bottom, guys. Done. The time you do the middle. And you guys are wondering why my hair is like this? Because I just took a bath. Alright, then use a towel. So when I did that, I put the towel and did that with it. Guys, isn't it good? Guys, we're gonna bring it some feet. Come on. this is gonna be one foot. Let's make the other one. I'm also gonna make tiny hands. Yeah, he has tiny feet now. So he can stand up. He's leaning to his side because I'm not that good at making. But he got tiny, tiny, tiny feet. Time to make the arms. Hey guys, at the end of the video, leave a like if you like my snowman. And don't be mean. Because I'm trying my hardest to do this. Not going that well, but no care. All I need is the head. I'm going to turn around so you can see its face. Its eyes and nose are going to be in the wrong place, but his smile is going to be good. And the buttons, they're lines. Yeah. You can't see it's ugly in it. Just, I can't speak. This is the snowman. 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 Yeah, guys, this is another part I want to show you. And so, it's going to be my Nerf gun collection. Epic montage time. Okay. I'm going to set it right. Where to set it? Guys, can you please say this was a good spot? Because it's the only place I can put it. What is this part? I'm gonna bring you guys back more. Oh, oops, sorry, I lost you. Get that out of here. Good. Done. Hey guys, in the link in the leave comment and say yes if you do have these Nerf guns. Oh, say the number and how much you have, okay? Besides, that will really help. You guys heard that, right? They're not going to be loaded. Is this bad boy? The Megadots go in here. Fold them. Bomb goes in here. Then dots go in this. Awesome. If you want to know how to shoot this, if you want to know how to shoot these, you probably already know. And yeah, this is this guy. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to say yes or no if you don't have this. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and gone. Now, I'm going to sing this. You guys can see this. Is this my Bible? I bought with my own money. These are the cards I basically got for Christmas. This is that. And these are the bullets. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, do you think I should do this? Do. Do that. Oh my guys, if you want me to, I can. Okay? That's even great for me. Oh. So that's sweet. Oh yeah. Ah! Sorry. So that's the video. So guys, remember, I'm gonna make a video on Saturday and Sunday. Probably. I'm gonna be with my friend Vincent. And that was the video. Goodbye.